Welcome. Today we are actually at one of our listings, a condo over in Lake Oswego off of Foothills Drive. And what part of Lake Oswego are we in right now?
So we are right across from the main lake off of State Street 43, and we are right across from Foothills Park. So you've got the Willamette River there and the lake right behind you.
Great. And so what are some of the amenities that are close here? What's the proximity to nightlife, entertainment? I mean, we're pretty much a stone's throw away from...
We are in the heart of Lake Oswego. So we are very close to the Lakewood Theater, which is always so much fun to go see live theater. You have the Lake Theater, where I grew up. Every Thursday night was dollar night, and we lived there during the summer. You've got the great pizza that they have there. You have Nicoletta's. You have the new Tap House. You have Five Spice. You have Holy Taco. And then we've got the trolley that you can actually take the trolley all the way down to OHSU.
Oh.
And then take the tram up if you ever want to do a fun little adventure. And it's all easily walkable.
Yeah, it is. And we're also close to a Whole Foods, right? There's one literally around the corner, and a Starbucks. So we are really, truly in one of the most desirable parts of Lake Oswego, especially if you are someone who wants to be close to all of those amenities, downtown Lake Oswego, but still have the privacy and comfort of living. It's a little further set back than State Street. So even though you're right there,
you can't really hear any traffic noise. We are surrounded by trees.
Yeah.
It's like we're in a tree house almost.
I know, it's lovely. And so this is a second floor unit, corner unit. And you want to talk about some details? Sure.
Living in the foothills area of Lake Oswego is all about convenience, community, and lifestyle. You're just steps away from Oswego Lake, where you can enjoy peaceful views or join in the fun during special events throughout the year. This neighborhood isn't just a place to live, it's a gateway to everything that makes Lake Oswego so special. We wanted to come and show you all the area that is right across the street from the condo and Foothills. This is called Millennial Park, and in the summertime they have a great farmers market, and then they just had a Christmas market. The vendors are sharing for the Christmas season. They do a wonderful tree lighting ceremony. You have the best, in my opinion, happy hour in town, which is at Five Spice Seafood. You'll get views of the lake here. You have the Tap House, you have a pizzeria, you have Chucky's Pies, you have Bamboo Sushi, you have St. Honore, you have Holy Taco, just all right here. And then, of course, the Domain Serene Tasting Room. It's just a wonderful place to be able to come, visit, and be able to walk back home with no issue. What's really special about this area, too, is you have Lake Oswego, Oswego Lake right behind us, and there is a path that you can walk the entire lake. What I love about walking around Oswego Lake is you have public art, the gallery with no walls. So throughout the whole community, you're going to see some really spectacular pieces from local artists, and they're changed out throughout the years. There's a wonderful fountain over there. And just, again, this is all right across the street, right within your community, just a stone's throw away from the Foothills condo. So where we are at now is probably not even a quarter of a mile away from where we filmed over on Millennial Park, and this area is called Foothills Park. It's a really special area that they have amazing summer concert, and we're right here on the Willamette River, so you're surrounded by all sorts of bodies of water just being in this wonderful community. Another fun thing to mention is they have a great area over there for picnicking in the summertime. All of that blooms out, and the wisteria just makes it just gorgeous. They have miles of walking trails, and you can even walk down this ramp here and just enjoy the Willamette River right here on this river walk. We are excited to share this 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,252 square feet condo with you. It's an upper level, so it's surrounded by trees, and it really feels like you are in a tree fort. In the summer and springtime, all of these trees even leaf out more, so you're kind of private up here. And it's super cozy. They did a remodel. It was just one couple that lived here by themselves, so they took out the other 2 bedrooms and turned it into this wonderful open concept floor plan. You have this bookcase here that can be moved back and forth. We just kept it here to show the separation between the 2 rooms. This area here they had used for a family room where they would gather in front of the fireplace. It is a wood-burning fireplace, which would be easy to convert if somebody just wanted to put a quick insert in there. People don't want to pack wood up and down, but that's an easy fix. This area here, they've used as a large living room area, but we do have the plans that they were talking about to add a bedroom before putting it on the market, but they decided just to price it aggressively and just get it sold. We've got the double pane window with the vinyl windows. Everything has been done top of the line. We've got the wood flooring. In the kitchen here, we've got granite tile, all high-end appliances. We have a Bosch dishwasher, and we also have this amazing Sub-Zero refrigerator. There is a massive amount of storage throughout this kitchen. Even though it's a little galley kitchen, you will see there's cabinets lining both sides, and they were really, really well done. So here's the hall powder bath. It does still have the plumbing there. If somebody wanted to take out that cabinet, there can be a shower added back in very easily. This next area here is your utility room. It is the stackable washer and dryer that's included in the sale, and this is just a nice pocket barn door here to close it off. We've got the primary suite, which has the double closets here, which I love so much because there's room for everything you could ever imagine. There's some nice drawers here. They use this for sweaters, but what I love too is all of these are closet spaces as well. All along here you've got room for hanging, and then we've got shelves back here, and then even back here with these mirrors, you'll see it is all ready to go. We've got a nice tiled dual vanity and then a wonderful walk-in shower here in the back. This condo would be a great opportunity, a pied-à-terre. Anybody that is living part-time between here and Seattle that just needs a low maintenance opportunity, or full-time. The condo is located right across from Foothills Park, which is a wonderful place in the summer with their summer concerts. It fronts the Willamette River, so it's just right across the street. And then you go up the hill, just a slight walk, and you'll be right on the main lake with all the main restaurants. Like, there's so much that is just right here. The HOA is only $363 a month. That includes your trash, sewer, and water. The exterior maintenance, there's also a swimming pool, a nice spa with hot tub, there's a clubhouse, and they also have the opportunity for you to rent a nice apartment suite if your guests come from out of town. And they will have a full bedroom and a living room area and a kitchenette. And it's very welcoming and people love it here. Please feel free to check it out and give us a call if you have any questions.